In today's video, I'm going to teach you ClickUp versus Pipefy, which is better for project management. Whether you're opening one of these platforms for the first time, or you're refining a workspace you've used for a while, I'm going to walk you through a practical way to choose the right tool and get the best results from it. By the end, you'll clearly understand what each platform is designed to do, when it shines, and how to lean into its strengths without overcomplicating your setup. The core difference comes down to this. ClickUp acts like a collaborative work hub, while Pipefy is a high-governance process engine. If your work depends on brainstorming, cross-functional teamwork, and adapting to change, ClickUp feels like home. If your world is governed by well-defined procedures, strict handoffs, and measurable commitments, Pipefy is built for that reality. Think of ClickUp as an everything app for tasks, docs, and team communication. And think of Pipefy as a business process management tool that moves structured requests from A to B with consistency and control. Let's start with ClickUp, the collaborative powerhouse. It's an excellent choice when you want one place to plan, discuss, and deliver. Many teams use it to replace scattered tools, bringing tasks, goals, docs, and quick chats under one roof. If you're in marketing, development, or a creative discipline, you'll appreciate how flexible it is. Campaigns shift, specs evolve, and priorities change. ClickUp is designed to absorb that change without forcing you into a rigid mold. You can build a shared rhythm around planning, execution, and review while keeping context visible to everyone. A big part of what makes ClickUp so versatile is the number of ways you can view the same work. Mind maps help you sketch ideas and connect concepts before you commit to a plan. Gantt charts make it easy to lay out timelines and dependencies so you can spot risks early. The workload view shows team capacity, which is incredibly useful for realistic planning and avoiding burnout. Instead of guessing who has room, you can visualize it and allocate work with confidence. ClickUp's integrated AI, called ClickUp Brain, is there to tame information overload. When threads get long or documents pile up, it can summarize what matters, answer questions about your workspace, and even draft project briefs that you can refine with your own voice. Used well, it keeps momentum high by removing friction between ideas and execution. Communication is just as streamlined. A native chat view lets you keep quick discussions tied to the work itself, so you don't have to bounce to a separate messaging app just to clarify a detail. And when you're working on the go, ClickUp's offline mode is a quiet superpower. You can capture tasks and notes without an internet connection, and they'll sync as soon as you're back online. For anyone traveling, on-site, or simply dealing with shaky Wi-Fi, that reliability adds up. Now let's shift to Pipefy, the process and automation specialist. Pipefy is designed for organizations that scale repeatable, rule-driven workflows. It's not about brainstorming. It's about getting a request through the right steps with accuracy and accountability. HR teams use it for onboarding, finance for expense approvals, and IT for support tickets or procurement. If your success depends on enforcing standards, proving compliance, and minimizing manual handoffs, Pipefy gives you the control you need without writing code. Its automation engine is a standout. While both platforms offer automation, Pipefy's is particularly strong when you need complex conditional logic and if this then that branching. That means you can route work based on form inputs, trigger the next stage when prerequisites are met, and prevent a task from moving forward until the right data is provided. It's the sort of guardrail-heavy logic that reduces errors and keeps processes audit-ready. Smart intake forms sit at the front of that system. You can create advanced, customizable public forms that become the official starting point for a request. When someone fills one out, say for a customer service issue or a purchase request, it automatically becomes a tracked ticket with the right fields and rules attached. For enterprises and regulated teams, governance matters. Pipefy is frequently cited for strong compliance support, including standards like SOC 2 and ISO 27001. It also offers what's described as agentic orchestration, which uses AI to manage secure connections between core systems, such as ERPs or CRMs. In practice, that helps keep data flowing safely between tools without relying on brittle, ad hoc integrations. And because service quality needs to be visible, built-in SLA tracking lets you define and monitor time commitments at every stage. When an internal request is about to breach its deadline, you know early and can intervene before it turns into a bigger issue. So which one should you pick? If your day-to-day work thrives on flexibility, shared context, and fast collaboration, think campaign planning, product sprints, or creative production, ClickUp is the better fit. You'll benefit from its all-in-one nature, rich views, AI assistance, real-time chat, and offline capture. If your reality is defined by structured requests, approvals, and compliance, like onboarding, procurement, finance, or IT support, Pipefy is the safer bet. Its no-code automation, powerful intake forms, governance posture, and SLA tracking make repeatable work both scalable and reliable. It's also common to see organizations use both. ClickUp as the collaboration layer for teams, and Pipefy as the backbone for high governance processes. If you found value in today's video, tapping like is a small gesture that helps more people discover this content. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments, what resonated with you, and what we can improve next time. We read every single message, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.